Dollar languishes as recession fears mount, yen bounces whilst received slides. Tokyo. The U.S. greenback remained under stress on Thursday because it seemed set to increase declines towards fundamental friends to a fourth day, hurt by using Treasury yields wallowing close to two-week lows amid rising worries of a recession. The safe haven yen bounced, climbing lower back from 24-year lows to the greenback. The risk-sensitive Australian greenback dropped, and the Korean received slid to its weakest level for 13 years. The greenback index, which measures the forex against six key rivals, slipped 0.07% to 104.14, bringing its decline when you consider that Friday to 0.44%. It has fallen 1.54% from the two-decade top of 105.79 reached on June 15, whilst the Federal Reserve raised prices by 75 basis factors, the most important hike considering that 1994. Markets have turned out to be more and more worried that the Fed's commitment to quelling red-hot inflation will spur a recession. Those worries sent the 10-year Treasury yield sliding to an almost two-week low. U.S. Overnight, Fed Chair Jerome Powell mentioned in testimony to Congress that the imperative financial institution is fully dedicated to bringing expenditures underneath control despite the fact that doing so risks an monetary downturn. He mentioned a recession become, in reality, a possibility, reflecting fears in financial markets that the Fed's tightening tempo will throttle increase. Powell testifies to the House later within the International Day. Economists polled via assume every other 75 basis point hike for July, observed by way of a 50 basis point rise for September. Powell's semi-annual testimony has taken a few steam out of the USD, his comments concerning extended recession threat clearly weighing greater than his unconditional commitment to repair rate stability, Westpac strategists wrote in a Consumer Observe. But with 75 BP nonetheless at the desk for July and Fed funds set to rise above 3% via year's stop, USD interest fee guide ought to in the long run keep to construct. Westpac sees the danger of a pullback inside the dollar index to the 102 level within the close to term, however recommends shopping for at the ones levels. The greenback slid 0.56% to 135.47 sen, taking flight from a 24-year high of 136.71 reached on Wednesday. However, the U.S. foreign money won against the South Korean received, scaling 1,302.77 for the primary time in 13 years and closing buying and selling flat at 1,301.78 received. The Aussie dropped 0.47% to $0.68915. The euro become little changed at $1.0564, while sterling slipped 0.1% to $1.2253.